Hey guys, I got some more scrap on the curb today. Sorry about the lighting, the sun's in a bad spot. Got a sewing machine with the book and the little foot switch. It probably works fine. Got a old computer from Windows 95 for scrap, and then a old slide projector, and it's a Pile stereo amplifier. It's got some wires coming out of the back. I'm not sure it might work yet. Got some cooking things there, all clad. Oven mitts. This was sitting like this on the curb. I thought it was really neat. Some copper and a whole bunch of keys. Some old ones in here. I like this one. It's pretty neat. This is mostly brass. Or Etsy, maybe. Some more brass. Pressure washer part, it kind of broke. This fitting, I was looking at it. This is a Parker fitting. It's inexpensive. It's like a $25 fitting right there. Some aluminum here. Another heater core. Got a, I think it's a communion thing. Welcome mat. I'll clean that up with pressure washer. It'll be good. It's kind of neat. I don't know, I just grabbed this big stainless thing. A little, I think it's a grill drip pan or something. I'm not sure. Stuff in there. Yeah, Gerber's baby spoons again. Who's this one? Looks like Cody from 2007. Nut driver. Oh, a tiny digger there. Got this welcome sign. It's made out of metal. Pretty neat. Got a really crazy looking broom. Wash the deck off or something. Dustpan. Bucket of copper wire again. This is kind of neat. It's for ice fishing, for a pail. Set it on a pail and stick your fish through there when you catch them. Pretty neat. More copper wire. Lawnmower blade. There's another lawnmower blade here. It's quite large. Must have come off a snapper. More scrap. These boots were just funny. I want to stick them on a fence post somewhere. We used to do that all the time in Nebraska. Never really seen... I don't know, it's really funny. Couple of lamps. They're brass. I checked them with a magnet. Hose reel. Some more bed frames. Exercise thing. I don't know, it's really heavy. And just some more scrap. Alright guys. Till next time.